students, good morning. Today we are going to start new chapters, that is function Python libraries. Okay, now first of all you should be know about the function. What is the function? Function is a subprogram. It is used to design for a specific task or a specific purpose. Whenever a large program break into the smaller modules or units, these modules or units are called the functions. Function that large and complex program should be divided into functions but to perform a specific task. As we write more and more functions in a program, we should consider organizing a function by storing them in modules. Module is simply file that contains Python code. When we break a program into modules, each module should contain functions that perform related tasks. Commonly used modules that contain source code for generic needs are called libraries. Introduction. When we speak about working with libraries in Python, we are in fact working with modules. Libraries or modules are same but little bit difference in which one is the init functions used that are created inside library or package. Thus, a Python program comprises three main components: library or package, module, or function or subroutine. Relationship between module, package, and library in Python. A module is a file containing Python definition, docstring, function variables, classes, and statements. ये सब चीज़ें मॉड्यूल्स के अंदर होती हैं. पाइथन की डेफिनेशन होगी, डॉक्स्ट्रिंग्स, स्टेटमेंट्स होंगी, फंक्शंस होंगे, वेरिएबल्स, क्लास. पाइथन पैकेज इज सिंपली ए डायरेक्टरी ऑफ पाइथन मॉड्यूल्स. पाइथन पैकेज क्या है? वो एक डायरेक्टरी है, एक फोल्डर है, सिंपल एक पाइथन मॉड्यूल्स जिसमें आपके सारे स्टोर रहेंगे. लाइब्रेरी इज ए कलेक्शन ऑफ वेरियस पैकेजेस. Conceptually, there is no difference between package and Python libraries. In Python, a library is used to loosely describe a collection of core and main modules. Python में क्या है कि बहुत सारे आपके इनबिल्ट जो आपके हैं वो मॉड्यूल्स हैं, फंक्शंस हैं, उसको आप इजीली यूज़ कर सकते हैं. कॉमनली यूज पाइथन लाइब्रेरीज मैथ मॉड्यूल, सी मैथ मॉड्यूल्स, रैंडम मॉड्यूल, ये सब आपके मॉड्यूल्स हैं और इसमें हम बहुत सारे फंक्शंस यूज़ कर सकते हैं फॉर द डिफरेंट पर्पस. URL लाइब्रेरी, numpy लाइब्रेरी, साइंस पाई लाइब्रेरी, टिंकर लाइब्रेरी, मैटप्लॉट लाइब्रेरी. दिस इज़ यूज फॉर चार्ट्स. टिंकर इज़ यूज फॉर GI इंटरफेस. Science, it is used to offers algorithm and mathematical tools. NumPy is used for arrays, numeric array. URL library provide the URL handling functions so that can access website from within your program. What is module? Act of partitioning a program into individual components. Module is called modularity. A module is a separate unit itself. It reduces its complexity to some degree. It creates number of well-defined documented boundaries within program. Its content can be reused in other program without having to rewrite or recreate. That means reusability. Most of the important feature is the reusability. Structure of Python module. A Python module is simply a normal Python file that contains its function, constant, and other elements. Python module may contains following objects: variable, constant, classes, object, statement, and functions. Structure of Python modules. In the modules we have the variables, functions, variables, classes, members, methods, and we can import other Python modules just like simple math modules or other module. This is the method how to import the module. There are the three methods. First is import module name. Syntax is import लिखेंगे, फिर module का नाम लिखेंगे. Example import और math. Second method है from module का name, from math import which functions you want to insert, just like sqrt. From math import sqrt. Import asterisk, that is used to import all the methods include which are installed in which are developed in this module. Accessing function constant of imported modules. How to use the functions with module? Simply है module का name dot sqrt. This is the function 25. इसका स्क्वायर रूट निकल जाएगा 5 इंपोर्ट मॉड्यूल नेम, इस टाइप से प्रोग्राम है, आप इसको देख सकते हैं। हमने आज इसको लाइव भी दिखाया था आपको, ठीक है। आप इसकी प्रैक्टिस करिए, बना के देखिए इसको, ओके। तब तक हम आपको नेक्स्ट क्लास में और नेक्स्ट चेक में और कराएंगे आपको। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।